Hi, my name is Jozelle and I started my studies at CTU for graphic design. While I was studying graphic design, I enjoyed it very much, being very creative. I learned a lot. I was very intrigued by the programs and what we're going to do and what we're using and learning the new skills. I like learning new skills, so that was very fun for me, and I'm very thankful for everything that I was taught. I think it's a step in the right direction and CTU helped with that. So, if I could describe myself in one word, it would be detail-orientated. I love looking at the smaller details and making everything perfect and making sure everything's in place, and yeah, detail-orientated. I work very hard. I put all the time in that I can. And what drives me is to have a good life, and I think studying graphic design is going to help with that. In 2 years, I see myself maybe overseas doing graphic design there. What I enjoyed most about my studies was getting new skills like drawing, which I didn't have, so I was taught how to draw, and that was very fun because I never thought I could draw, so that was nice, learning how to draw. While I was studying, the person that helped me and encouraged me a lot, well, there were quite a few. So there was my mom and my dad, and my sister helped a lot as well. So all of them helped me creating concepts and thinking things through and just talking to me, so that was very helpful. The things that I studied at CTU is definitely relevant to the workplace, and it helps you to get that foot in the door, and I think it's very important to have the skills that CTU teaches you to work in a workspace. The advice that I would give someone that wants to study graphic design is to, one, create a portfolio as you go along, even if you don't draw, even if you're not a digital artist or anything, just try and do tutorials and just try and get a portfolio together so that you can get in easier, and so that the studies will become not easier, but you can get through them much quicker and faster. Just keep going and to do your best. Even if you don't do the best in the class or whatever, as long as you do your best, it's very important, and to keep growing, to keep going forward and to grow in what you're doing. I'm Jozelle Aucamp and I am a CTU success story, and remember, make it happen.